Choosing the right gaming PC case can be tricky. Poor airflow, limited space, weak build quality, and lack of portability can ruin your entire setup. A good case should balance cooling, design, and compatibility while keeping your components safe and organized. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best gaming PC cases: compact, stylish, and built for performance. Whether you're building a powerful gaming rig or a space-saving setup, these cases deliver great value. We researched features and user feedback to create this list. Check links in the description for latest prices and availability. Number 5. JONSBO Z20 MATX PC Case. The JONSBO Z20 is a compact yet powerful MATX case designed for gamers who want performance in a small footprint. With a 20-liter chassis and a detachable handle, it's easy to carry for LAN parties or travel setups. It supports large graphics cards and up to 163mm air coolers, ensuring solid performance. The clean design includes a Type-C port for modern connectivity, while optimized airflow keeps components cool. Despite its small size, it offers great internal layout flexibility, making it ideal for compact but high-performance builds. Number 4. PowerTrain X-GAMERX X100 Mini Case. The PowerTrain X-GAMERX X100 is a portable mini PC case that supports both ITX and MATX motherboards, offering flexibility for different builds. Its compact chassis is perfect for small desks, while still allowing powerful components inside. Equipped with USB 3.0 and Type-C ports, it ensures fast connectivity for modern devices. The design focuses on portability without sacrificing cooling efficiency. Whether you're building a gaming system or a compact workstation, this case delivers a balanced combination of size, performance, and convenience. Number 3. METALFISH S5 Max Gaming Case. The METALFISH S5 Max is a versatile gaming PC case that supports both MATX and ITX motherboards, making it suitable for a wide range of builds. It offers excellent cooling support with compatibility for large air coolers and up to 180mm water cooling systems. The compact yet sturdy design ensures durability while maintaining efficient airflow. With support for both SFX and ATX power supplies, it provides flexibility for different setups. This case is perfect for gamers who want strong cooling performance in a compact form factor. Number 2. WJCOOLMAN Craftsman 3 PC Case. The WJCOOLMAN Craftsman 3 stands out with its unique design, featuring transparent glass panels and stylish wooden strips, giving your setup a premium look. It supports MATX and ITX motherboards, making it suitable for both gaming and professional builds. The spacious interior allows easy component installation, while good airflow design helps maintain stable temperatures. This case combines aesthetics with performance, making it a great choice for users who want their PC to look as good as it performs. Number 1. TFDP Mini ITX HTPC Case. The TFDP Mini ITX HTPC case is a compact powerhouse designed for minimal setups without sacrificing functionality. It supports Mini ITX motherboards and features a sleek front panel with 5V ARGB lighting for a modern look. With 4 USB ports, connectivity is never an issue. It supports a 1U power supply, making it ideal for small form factor builds or home server setups. Its compact design makes it perfect for desks with limited space while still delivering reliable performance for gaming or media use. A great gaming PC case improves airflow, protects your components, and enhances your overall setup. These top 5 options offer the perfect mix of compact design, cooling support, and modern features. Whether you want portability, style, or performance, there's a case here for your build. Which one do you like most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.